Well, it's not in the glove box, it's not behind the sun visor, and it's not back there. Nonetheless, somewhere in this Vauxhall Corsa is the camshaft position sensor, and in this video I'll show you how to replace it. It's down there. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, the Corsa in this video is a 1.2 litre petrol from 2011, and the camshaft sensor is there on the side of the engine towards the top. Here's a close-up. As we can see, that sensor is easily accessible, but nonetheless, let's give ourselves a bit more room to work. And to do that, we simply lift this bracket off the front of the engine, like so, pop it down there. That moves these wires out the way and gives us easier access to that bolt which holds the sensor in position. And to undo that bolt, we need an E11 socket like this, which is one of those weird ones that looks like a flower. Right. Now this bolt should come out quite easily. It shouldn't be too tight. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's absolutely fine. Coming out no problem whatsoever. Nearly there. And I'm going to try not to drop it because we're parked on gravel here and I'll never find it. There we go. We can now pull the sensor away from the engine. Just like that. And if yours is stuck, simply get a screwdriver behind there and gently pry it. And there we go. And next, of course, we need to separate the power cable and get covered in oil. That's always good too. And pleasingly, removing the power cable is a simple job. All we have to do is slide this white tab in this direction. So we're going to pry it out with a screwdriver. Oh, that's the easiest way. And then, when that's moved far enough, the power cable simply pulls off. That's not quite far enough. Oh, there we go. As for getting a new sensor, well, they're readily available for about £15. The part number for mine is very difficult to read, but it's 55566932. Yours may or may not be the same, so I suggest you double check. As for fitting the new sensor, initially simply reverse the process I've already shown you. The bolt should be tightened to 6 Newton meters, which isn't much, so don't wring its neck. Next, you may need to get an OBD2 scanner to cancel the warning light in the instrument cluster that confirmed your old sensor was faulty and to match the new sensor to the car. Precisely how you do such things depends on your scanner, so I can't be too precise. That's it, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. A courier van's pulled up outside the house, and that's good because I've been waiting all day for a parcel. So we may get interrupted. Anyway, can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and he's gone. Okay, well, we're not getting a parcel. Anyway, subscribe, click like, comment, do all those good things. And I will not open the parcel I've been waiting for. Come back!